Good morning, guys. I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Engineers Competitive Training Academy. Today, we'll be discussing about the question papers of Indian Army. Recently, whatever has been asked Indian examination of Indian Army, Army Clerk, Trade, as well as Nursing Assistant and Technical examinations. All those questions have been compiled. Let us discuss what exactly the questions have been given. So, initially, we have who was the commander of Alauddin Khilji's forces during the Deccan campaigns? So I have chosen few selected questions which are new this year. So these are very important parts. Please remember, they are very important and note it down whatever you can. So initially we have the commander has been asked Alauddin Khilji's forces during his Deccan campaign. So जो भी पूछा गया है वो आप याद रखिएगा और इनको नोट करते जाइएगा। अलाउद्दीन खिलजी फोर्सेस का टाइम पे यहाँ पे कह रहा है कि कमांडर कौन था, तो उस टाइम पे मलिक कफ़ूर कमांडर थे, यहाँ पे देख सकते हो। और ऐनुल मुल्क मुल्तानी ये कमांडर है पर उस टाइम पे नहीं है। और नुसरत खान जो कि वोकलिस्ट है दोस्तों, पाकिस्तान के देश के संबंधित, और उलुग खान जो कि खिलजी का ब्रदर है। दिस टाइम दे मे आस्क कौन खिलजी का ब्रदर है, तो आपसे पूछा जा सकता है उलुग खान इज़ द राइट आंसर, क्योंकि जो भी ऑप्शंस दिए गए हैं उनको भी आपको याद रखने की कोशिश करिए। अगला देखिए, जंगीज़ खान वी आर अवेयर। जंगीज़ खान क्या फाइंड किया? जैसे कि हम जानते हैं स्लेव डायनास्टी को कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक ने फाउंड किया है, फाउंडर कह सकते हैं। लोधी डायनास्टी का फाउंडर बलाल लोधी है और मुग़ल डायनास्टी का बाबर है दोस्तों। यहाँ जो जंगीज़ खान है ये मंगोल डायनास्टी का फाउंडर है दोस्तों। अगर आप लोगों को प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स या मैथमेटिक्स, हैंड रिटन मैथमेटिक्स जो भी किया गया उनका पेपर्स चाहिए, आप मुझे कॉल कर सकते हैं, हम आपको बाय पोस्ट भेजा जाएगा। अगला देखिए, नेचुरल गैस के बारे में पूछा गया है। मेनली व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इट हैज़ गॉट द नेचुरल गैस దీంట్లో మనం చూసినట్లయితే we have methane. So methane is the one which is the biogas as well as a natural gas, producer gas, and we have marsh gas also. So there are various names: natural gas, methane, and we have butane. The maximum content we will find in LPG cylinder. Ethane is Peninsulian. We will call it as, for the ethane we will call it as Peninsulian. If I say in the case of propane, we knew that whatever the propane content we find in the cylinders also along with the butane. Next we have, what is the cause of the typhoid? So normally it affects your intestines, and there is a bacterium named as Salmonella typhi bacterium. Because of this only this typhoid will spread. What exactly the fungi? Mushroom we are aware. Mushroom is something in which we don't have any kind of chlorophyll in that, and anaerobic respiration process happens in mushroom. And viruses we have, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. So this is one thing, HIV virus. Protozoa, this protozoa caused by the malaria. So protozoa causes the malaria. So we should remember all these whatever the questions have been given. If I say earthworm, so we knew that earthworm is a bisexual organism on which you have the segmented body, and it is one type of annelida. We know that in frog we find head and trunk. This type of thing we will find in frog. In the case of ant we have got compounded eyes, very important. And the jointed legs we will find in spiders. They are also known as arthropods. Very important questions, don't miss. Whatever the 50 questions have been discussed in this, 50 into more than 4, that is 200 questions we may discuss, go through whatever has been given. We should remember bulls and bears. In the case of stock market we have bull as well as bears. Bull, that is the indication we have bull and bear. Bear is for defending, bull is for the raising. So here what exactly Bear indicates loss and bull indicates rise of the stocks. So whatever the bull and bear, these kind of symbols you will find in front of Bombay Stock Exchange, which is located in Dalal Street of Mumbai. And next, we know that Spain has got the national game, that is bullfighting. And in politics, we have Indian constitution, in which we have elephant is the symbol, which is known as Airavat. And here prostitution is the exemption one. There is nothing related to the prostitution. Which river is known as Sorrow of Bihar? Please remember, here Bihar is asked. So Kosi river is the Sorrow of Bihar. If they ask Luni river, which is located in Rajasthan, and in the case of Damodar, Bengal sorrow is known as river Damodar. We knew that Brahmaputra, which originates outside the India, and in Tibet it has been called as Sangpo, and it is the only river which originates outside the India and passes through Assam. Now it is related to diseases. Arthritis disease, we should remember. So normally whenever you feel like arthritis, there is inflammation in your joints, and we knew that related to kidney, that is liver cirrhosis. Sorry, kidney, it is we have a dialysis, we may have a kidney stone. Cirrhosis for the liver actually. Liver cirrhosis for the liver, not for the kidney. We have a kidney failure, that is also known as a renal failure. So sorry, liver cirrhosis is for the maximum consumption of alcohol. Pancreas, we are aware, they secrete insulin. If you have any problem in pancreas, then you will be with the disease of diabetes. Next we have bleeding of gums. This is one thing important. Normally in our mouth we have got gums along with the teeth. So vitamin C, which is also known as ascorbic acid, because of this deficiency of vitamin C, we have the bleeding of gums. And vitamin E, it is a tocopherol, and calciferol, that is vitamin D, and these are very important, you should remember. So all the vitamins, vitamin A, retinol, vitamin B, they are all B complex vitamins. We have B1, B2, B3, B5, B12 like this. So you have to remember each and everything. So for that you can directly go through playlist where you will find maximum related to each topic. Now we have Dudhwa National Park, which is located in Uttar Pradesh. As we are aware that this park is located in Uttar Pradesh, and Jim Corbett you will find in Uttarakhand, and we have a Gir National Park, which is located in Gujarat, and Ramanhan Rhinoceros, that is Kaziranga, is located in Assam. So please remember, if you want different national park, have a look in playlist. It has been given, it has been discussed. Sherpa, there are tribes of Nepal. Please remember, this tribe, will find this type of tribes in Nepal. Please remember, one question is going to ask related to tribes. So we should remember where exactly the tribes are there, and these questions are gunshot. Sherpa tribes will find in Nepal. Now we have a social website, that is Facebook. So this Facebook is the one who is the developer of it, and at present he is Mark Zuckerberg. He is at young age, he made Facebook. We knew that Sundar Pichai, he is the CEO of Alphabet company. So he is from Tamil Nadu. He is the CEO of Alphabet company, as well as Ratan Tata. We have Tata Group. Jeff Bezos, he is the CEO of Amazon. Please remember, I want you guys to comment me who is the CEO of YouTube. The largest island in the world, they are asking. We knew that the largest place, the first place, it is Greenland. I want you guys to comment me the island which is after the Greenland, which is the biggest one. So it has been asked. Barren Island is an active volcanic island in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It's the only active volcano in India. Mount Vesuvius, where it is located, I want you guys to comment me. Indonesia is known as the land of archipelago. What is archipelago? Archipelago is a group of islands. So Indonesia has got maximum group of islands. If I say whom among the following was the father of the king Ashoka, they are asking. Bindusara is the father of Ashoka. Bimbisara is father of Ajat Shatru. Please remember, whoever has got the respect to their fathers, you have to remember. In the case of Gupta dynasty, founder Sri Gupta, and we should remember who is exactly and who ruled after whom. So you can directly go through playlist where you will find ancient and modern history related videos. Now we have members of Lok Sabha. They are elected directly by the people of India. If they say Rajya Sabha, they are not the one, but in the case of whoever the members of Lok Sabha, they have been chosen by the public. Next we have, which of the following mountain peak is the second highest mountain peak of the world? Please remember, here we have Godwin Austen, which is also known as K2, which has got the height of 8611 meters. It is the second highest mountain peak of the world. It is not in India. If they say in India, Kanchenjunga is the highest peak in India. So the same way in the world we have Mount Everest is the one which is the highest, which is located in Tibet region. So Godwin Austen, which is also known as K2, it is in the second position with the height of 8611 meters. If I say in which of the following cities Indian Military Academy is located, that is in Dehradun it has got. If I say in the case of Hyderabad, it is Air Force Academy. Naval Academy, it is in Kerala, that is Ejimala, Kannur. So like this in Pune, that is Kadakwasla, we have National Defence Academy. So these all things to be remembered. Please go through whatever the academies have been asked. If they ask OTA, that is in Chennai. Now we have body ligaments that connect. I want you guys to comment me what exactly the tendons, what are the ligaments. So please remember, muscle to muscle, bone to bone, muscle to bone, whatever the names have been given. I am asking this question, body ligaments that connect between what? Please comment me in the section. Now, which is known as master of all acids, that is sulfuric acid, H2SO4, which we use in car batteries. Now H3SO3, what exactly the chemical formula for whom? I want you guys to comment. And now we have H2S, that is hydrogen sulfide, hydrochloric acid HCl, that is a which has got the pH value, that is potential of hydrogen value is 0. Please remember, they are very important. If I say Girija Devi, she is related to classical singer. She is one of the best classical singer. Her name is Girija Devi. If I say Birju Maharaj, he is a Kathak dancer from Uttar Pradesh. So you have to remember each and everything. Whoever the classical singers are there, whoever the important personalities. Now, musician who is known as Mozart of Madras, that is, we knew that A.R. Rahman. Next we have Central Drug Research Institute, which is located in the city named as Lucknow, which is also known as Nawabao ka Shahar. In the case of LAC Research Center, LAC means it's a shit of insects. So this is located in Ranchi. Jamshedpur is famous for Tata Steel industry. Next we have, in which year Jawahar Rozgar scheme, in which year the Jawahar Rozgar scheme started. So this is one thing you have to remember. This scheme has started, that is, please go through whatever has been given. In 1987, Cricket World Cup have been won, and in 98 we have Pokhran 2 test fired, which is, what is the name of that Pokhran 2 test? So please remember, there are two tests. One is Pokhran 1 and Pokhran 2. Pokhran 1 is known as Smiling Buddha, and I want you guys to comment me what exactly the second Pokhran 2 test named as. And here 1974, this first test. But this Jawahar Rozgar scheme, this had started 1st April 1989. Now we have 5 permanent members of the United Nations Security Council. So this is one thing, China, France, Russia, UK as well as America. These are the 5 permanent members of United Nations Security Council. Next we have 24th question, very important. In which country the World Cup of Football, that is 2022, will be scheduled? It will be scheduled and it will be played, that is in Qatar. Please remember few questions related to current affairs also they are asking. So don't underestimate them. You may be asked. Next, we should remember the slogans. The Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. This slogan has been given by Lal Bahadur Shastri, as well as here Subhash Chandra Bose has given Delhi Chalo, give me your blood and I will give you freedom, or Jai Hind. Now we have Charan Singh. You guys comment me what exactly he has formulated. In the case of Jawaharlal Nehru, he has given the Aram Haram Hai, and he has also authored the book The Discovery of India. Very important questions, guys. Dialysis, we are aware that dialysis is done when your kidneys got failed. Renal failure, we call it as in the case of problem in your kidney stones. What exactly the reason you will get the stones in your kidney? That is because of what? I want you guys to comment me. What is the chemical name we call it as? Next, we have the brain disease, that is meningitis, lung related bronchitis we will have, and heart weakness, that is heart attack, cardiac arrest we call it as. Next, we should remember the bicycle has been invented by whom? Baron Karl von Dries. He is the one who invented the bicycle. And Dunlop tire, it's a rubber tire. And Franklin Benjamin is the one who had invented lightning rod, which is kept over the buildings, which is made of copper. James Ritty, he is the cashier, cash register. We know that there is a cash registers before. James Ritty had found this cash registers. Let me tell you guys, green color of Indian national flag, what exactly it indicates? The green color indicates that is relation to the soil as well as prosperity and fertility concerning. In the case of saffron, which depicts strength and courage. In the case of navy blue, we have vigilance and perseverance. And we have the white, that is peace related dude. And we have the next, the 24 rock edicts, that indicates the spokes of the Ashoka wheel, which is of navy blue color. Now we have the electron was first invented by J.J. Thomson is the one who invented the electron. Chadwick, he found neutron. Rutherford, we are aware what exactly Kepler's law of motion. I want you guys to comment me what exactly Rutherford invented. Now we have the first battle of Panipat. Please remember, we have various battles. 1556 second battle, 1526 first battle. I want you guys to comment me third battle took place in which year. So next, please remember whatever the battles it has been given, separate video will be made in one video. The maximum questions you have to remember. So that video is the one, and I want you guys to go through different videos in playlist where you will find different with pictorial manner. Now we have blood pressure. We knew that this blood pressure is controlled by the adrenal gland. If I say thymus, which is the only gland during the childhood, it will be present, and once you become adult, it will vanishes and the size of thymus will be gone. And now it is one thing, thyroid gland, which is the Adam's apple we call it as, and this is the largest endocrine gland. Please remember, if I say the temperature of the human body is regulated because of this hypothalamus, very important. Here the blood pressure is controlled by what? Adrenal gland, which is on the top of the kidneys. Please remember. Now we have the homogeneous mixture of two or more metals, which is known as alloy. Very important. It's a homogeneous mixture of two or more metals, which is known as alloy. So if I say compound, it is something you should remember, hydrogen and water. In water, hydrogen and oxygen compounds we have. That is one thing you have to remember. It's one type of homogeneous mixture. Now we have the polymer and fiber. You can give examples of polymer and fiber. Next we see the pressure of the gases are measured with the manometer. So whatever the pressure of the gases, that can be measured with the manometer. If I say atmospheric pressure, it is barometer. Anemometer is wind speed. Sphygmomanometer is for the blood pressure controlling purpose. And I want you guys to comment me what exactly the measuring device of pollution. Very important question. Comment me in the section. If I say which of the following countries has Tamil as one of the official languages? In Singapore and Sri Lanka, we have the Tamil as an official language. If I say in the case of Mauritius, they have got their own. Indonesia, we knew that the currency in Indonesia they use, that is ringgit. And I want you guys to tell me what exactly the currency of Thailand. Comment me in the section. Next we have a virtual image larger than the object that can be produced by the which type of mirror. Normally if you want a virtual image which is of larger than the object, that is only possible by the concave mirror. And as you can see in the vehicles we have got this type of concave mirror. And the mirror, normally if you are 1 meter height, if you are 2 meters height, what exactly the mirror should be? The mirror has to be 1 meter, half of your length. Then only you can see the full view of your top to bottom. Now we have the convex mirror, which is a driver's mirror. You will find by the side of the driver, with which he can easily judge the vehicles coming from the back. Here we have the nitrogen in water, very important, which is commonly in the form of what? That you will find in form of nitrate. So please remember whatever the form that you have to remember. Nitrous oxide, that is important. N2O, laughing gas. Nitric oxide, HNO3. Please remember their respective chemical formulas also. Next we have a colorless poisonous gas which develops during the burning of coal, that is carbon monoxide. Very important guys. A colorless poisonous gas that develops during the burning of coal is carbon monoxide, and it is the one which is a poisonous which produced after the burning of the coal. And I want you guys to tell me, in the case of sodium, what color exactly it will be. Methane, which is known as marsh gas, and carbon dioxide, which is released after the exhaling, and nitrogen, it's a most diffusive. It releases from the container. Normally it is kept in a thermocol, and this releases like a perfume, one of the most diffusive gas, nitrogen. Now we have the disease spread by the mosquito. Malaria is the one which is the main vector, that is mosquito, with which this malaria is spread. Bird flu by the air droplets, and AIDS by the virus. Common cold, very important disease. Common cold is spread by what? It is spread by, I want you guys to comment me. In the case of jaundice, it is affected to the liver. Because of that non-secretion of this proper functioning of liver, the bile juice all over the body it spreads. The process of removing the undesirable plants, that is known as weeding. Very important. What exactly? Winnowing, thrashing, shedding and weaning. Here whatever the removing process of undesirable plants from the respective area, that is known as weeding. Very important. Go through what exactly the thrashing and shedding as well as winnowing. Have a look in the picturized format. The national bird of India, we are aware that peacock, which is also known as Pavo cristatus. Once they may ask this kind of scientific name, you have to remember. In the case of hummingbird, which can also fly backwards and it can changes the color very fast, and this is known as Trochilidea. Parrot, which is given the scientific name nightingale, we knew that Koel. So as you can see how exactly the scientific names of those respective. Please go through, you may be asked any question. Now we have Kangto, which is also known as Kangdo's Rise. It's a mountain which is located in the eastern Himalaya of India. It's the highest peak in the state of. This is located, as you can see, 7060 meters height it is. It's a mountain of the eastern Himalaya located in Arunachal Pradesh. It shares border with the Tibet autonomous region of China. So it is the highest point in Arunachal Pradesh. So please remember this Kangto as well as known as Kangdo. So this is the mountain located in Arunachal. In the case of Sikkim, we have Digbo oil mill as well as Kamakya temple. In Arunachal Pradesh, we have in Uttarakhand Jim Corbett National Park, and Jammu and Kashmir, that is Srinagar, we have Ular Lake. What is the Vedic names of the river? You may be asked different Vedic names. Here Ravi river Vedic name has been asked. So please remember, here whatever the Vedic names we have already discussed, each Vedic name of the river I had already discussed, a separate video had been made. Have a look in GK playlist. So here in the Vedic civilization, Aryans developed Rig Veda, which describes about the Sapta Sindhu, 7 rivers. So this traced from the east west to Saraswati, Satadru at present we call it as Satluj, Vipasa that is Vyas, Vipasa Basu Vyas, like that. Parosni Ravi is a Purush, so Paroshni, like that you remember. Askini Chenab is known as Askini Chenab. So remember in such a manner with which you can remember as your own wish. Vitasta Jhilam and Sindhu Indus. So these are the few scientific, what we call Vedic names of these rivers. Please remember, they may ask the same question in examinations. What exactly the scientific Vedic name of Sindhu? You have to write Indus. So Jhilam Vitasta. So like that. So please remember, here we have Ravi, that is Paroshni, Sanskrit name of Ravi, that is Airavati. So please, river originates at Bara Bengal of Kanga district and flows through Bara Bansu. So as you can see here, they have given it as famous tributaries are Bodhil, Siol, Balzeri, Chatrari, Bhaira. So overall, please remember, whatever the Vedic names they ask, you have to give the answer. So either Chandrabhaga, which is located in Maharashtra, that is in Amravati. Here Satadru, that is Satluj, is also known as Satadru. Parushni is the Ravi river's Vedic name, very important. Grammy Award, normally it is given in the field of music. So here United States, by either National Academy of Recording Arts and Science, they give this Grammy Awards, and they are commonly known or meant to recognize spectacular work in the field of music industry. Normally in film we have Oscar awards, and literature we have Jnanpith award, and sports there are various Arjuna, and we have Dronacharya award. Now we have, which is not a fiber crop. We knew that rubber is a non-fiber crop, and hemp, cotton, natural silk, they are all fiber crop. Here let me tell you, peas. In peas we have the maximum fiber, but it is not a fiber crop. Cotton, hemp and jute, these are the one where you will find maximum fiber. So peas, in which you have the maximum content of fiber and low in fat and contains no cholesterol. They are good source of vegetable protein. Now we have the work done, that is W is equal to force into displacement. So with this we have been given one formula, and whatever the question have been given, the force acting on the object is doubled, then what will be the work done? So when a force is doubled, the work done will be what? Once the force is doubled, the displacement also will be doubled. So the work done will be quadrupled. So next we have dimensional formula of strain. So it is a non-dimensional unit, so it has no dimensional formula for this, but stress is dimensionally represented as ML1 minus 1 T minus 2. So this is what exactly you have to remember. Stress is a non-dimensional formula, remember. Now we knew the Spolen tube. This has been discovered by the first, there is a Battista Amici. In the 19th century, he found Poland tubes. They are used as a model for understanding plant cell behavior. So Amici made it. Normally here Hofmeister, he is widely credited with the discovery of alternation of generation as a general principle in plant life. This is what exactly Hofmeister has done. Next you can directly go through what exactly Nemec has done. You can directly comment me in the section. The outer covering of the human brain, which is known as dura mater. Please remember, coracoid, it's a small hook-like structure on the lateral edge of the superior anterior portion of the scapula, and pia mater we have, and different, it's a middle layer of the arachnoid. This is known as pia mater, but the outer layer of the human brain, dura mater. So remember, you may be affected with the meningitis, swelling of your outer layer. So please remember the tough outer layer, that is dura mater, and arachnoids, you can see how exactly it's loosely around the brain, which is known as arachnoid. So the answer for this is outer covering layer of the human brain is dura mater. Now we have gout, very important. Gout, that is due to the accumulation of here occurs when urate crystals accumulate in your joint, causing the inflammation and intense pain in the gout attack. Urate crystals can form when you have high levels of uric acid in your blood. So whenever there is an increase in uric acid, you will have this type of problem. So gout will occur, and we have these urea crystals. Their urea production occurs in the liver and is regulated by N-acetyl glutamate, and urea is then dissolved into blood. So in the reference range, whatever has been given, you can directly go through that. Ammonia crystals, this is non-toxic storage and transport form of ammonia in the liver is glutamine. This is what exactly ammonia crystals. Glucose crystals, it's a monosaccharide crystal sugar product. It is soluble in water and prevent water crystallization. It is a sweetener and can be a substitute for sucrose in food and pastry processing and fermentation. We can use this glucose crystals. So this is what exactly uric acid crystals are the main reason which happens the gout. Now we have the Daycon's process. There are various processes. Please remember, it is very important. Daycon's process is the process which is used for the manufacturing of Henry Daycon. Is the process used during the manufacture of alkalis. In the initial and end product was sodium carbonate by the Leblanc process. So this is what exactly the process is. So here we should remember, in this process hydrogen chloride is oxidized by oxidation over a copper chloride crystals catalyst, resulting the production of chlorine. Here what exactly we are getting? Chlorine we are getting. So answer is the chlorine. Next part we will discuss about 51. So in Daycon's process, what exactly we manufacture? We manufacture chlorine. In this process, hydrogen chloride is oxidized, and we have bleaching powder, that is CaOCl2, and sulfuric acid is, that is H2SO4. So please remember all these 50 questions. They are very important. I'll discuss near about 10 to 15 parts that will be very important for your upcoming examinations. Don't underestimate whatever the questions I am preparing. You better go through them. Thank you guys. I hope this will help you a lot. Have a good day. Have a great life.